Do you need to find out how to update the clock on your Mk3 Renault Clio? Then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a Mk3 Renault Clio, and this is actually a model from 2006. I'm going to be showing you how to update or change the clock found in the centre of the dashboard just here. So first things first, we do need to actually have the ignition on at least one click. So we don't have to have the engine started, we just need to have it so that the clock is illuminated. Now you'll notice just over the right hand side of the clock there are two buttons, one at the top, one at the bottom. The one at the top actually does the hours and the one at the bottom does the minutes. So say if we want to change it from, this is actually 9 AM because it's on a 24-hour clock. So if I want to change it to say if I go 9:30 PM, I'm just going to tap the top one through to 21, and then I'm going to do the bottom one just forward 10, so that actually reads 9:30 like that. Now once we leave the buttons, that does automatically just adjust the clock, and it remains like that until changed again. It's a nice, quick, easy video for you today. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.